everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a project share. Today's project share is for Globleland. I am doing a collab with them and oh my goodness, you guys. So love their dies. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so as you guys remember on my unboxing, I did receive this box. And it is a two-piece box. I did mention I had said you can make 4 different boxes. Correction, no, you can make 2 boxes, but it's 2 different sizes, and oh my goodness, amazing. Anyways, so here is the bottom of the square box, and this is of course the bottom of the rectangular box. This you can actually use and either embellish it, or you could do a shaker, you guys. Same with this. This is just wanted to show you guys something. There's a piece missing, but it's over here. It came with these tags. It came with this bow. It came with this flag. These are for your tags over here if you want to go ahead and secure them. So that's what this is for. This right here is for your bow, and oh my goodness, and here is another like oboe tag, you guys. So let me show you what I created. I also use this ribbon on my projects. So you guys, this is also from Globleland, and amazing, beautiful bow. And of course, you guys, I still have this much. It came in a 2-pack. Here is the product code for this one. I did link everything down on the description below. I will continue to link everything down on the description below. You guys, Globleland is also offering a 10% off if you use the coupon code, which I will link down on the description below. You guys, oh my goodness. So if you guys want to know the code right now, it's KATZ10, so for 10%. So yeah, anyways, so let me show you guys what I ended up creating with this die. I will go ahead and start with the basic ones. So I went ahead and used the little square box and used all these little, oh my goodness, extra little pieces that I had out here in my office, or in my room, in my craft room. Anyways, so isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? So I had to do trial and error, and I did cut the scallop box right here, which is of course this portion here. Okay, and basically that's what brought my little scallop box over here. So there you go. Okay, and so once you cut it out, of course you are going to get this square. This is of course the rectangular. Everything is scored here, so it's easy to put together. I will of course do a little small tutorial towards the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys some projects. Anyways, here is my other little box right here, you guys, and I did do this into a shaker. How cute is that? So basically what I did, I used the scallop. I cut this right here, and then I put the middle one. Oh, it's right here. I'm not gonna take it out yet. So I put it in the middle, and then I just go ahead and cut around it, and that's what made the little window here for my shaker. And then as you guys could see, and oh my goodness, so here are some items, and here are the extra pieces that are left over from my projects, and I of course went and used them. And you guys, you could use everything here in your scraps and use them as extra pieces. And here is the tag, and here is that portion. Let me see. Here is this right here. You guys could see that is that yellow part right there. So if you want to like hang it somewhere or something, it's going to be a little bit more sturdier. And there you go. And there, of course, it's the tag that's right here. This one right here. And oh my gosh, and I love that it has that the edge part. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Anyways, so there you go, and then just put my items back in here. And of course, that is a happy birthday little box. There you go. So of course it's a shaker, like I said. Here is the rectangular one. There you go. There's the box again, and I also did that into a shaker. Of course, I also went ahead and basically what I did is I just went ahead and of course used this one and this one. Went ahead and die cutted these together, and it made my little window right here, and there is my little shaker. And then just for the bottom, you just cut one of these and you have the bottom portion. So there you go. Isn't that cute? And here is the bow. Oh my goodness, this bow is a pretty good size. So this is this bow right here, you guys. So there it is, you guys. Oh my goodness. So that's one. Showed you guys this one. Let me go ahead and show you how I used the ribbon. Here is a portion of that ribbon. Isn't that cute? So I went ahead and used it on this tag. And then I also wanted to show you guys. Oh, okay. So I also went ahead and made a belly band using the ribbon and putting this in here. So whoever I sent this out to can just pull this out. I went ahead and did this right here. I actually put these together like this, and I just cut a piece of cardboard out, or not cardboard but cardstock, and that's how I got my little window. And then I did another one, and then I just cut the edges off on here because I didn't want to do it like it was a trial and error basically. So loved how it came out. It still came out so cute. And here is a ATC card that I made, and of course I used the ribbon right here again. You guys, this ribbon is you could use it everywhere. Multi-purpose ribbon. You could use it everywhere. You could use it for decorations. You could use it for your crafts. You could use it to make bows for your kids. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so that is what I ended up creating. I did also want to show you guys how to put this box together. Like I said, I did do a prior pre-cut, so that way I wouldn't be here cutting everything out for you guys and you waiting on me. So what I ended up doing is, this is how I did it. I got a piece of cardstock and just die cut it around, basically like, I know this is the rectangular one, but I went ahead and placed it together and just put it together and just die cut it. I actually did two. I used the cardstock and my regular paper that I was going to use to design what I was going to create. And of course, I also ended up cutting one of these out for my bottom portion. So let me go ahead and finally show you what I am talking about. So again, this is my top. This is what I ended up using. So I went ahead, like I said, I went ahead and die cut. I just wanted to have everything prepared for you. Just pulled it out, did my cardstock and paper, and just, glued it together. And I just went ahead and redid the score lines because it's a little bit thicker. So there you go. So let me just put this together. And then of course here is the bottom. So what I do for the bottoms, this is what I do. I look for the edge of the ruler and then just lift this up, so that way it's a perfect. And I'm not, basically sometimes I do struggle, even though it does have a score line, I do struggle with kind of creasing the paper, and I don't want to crease the paper all the time. Creasing as making creases in between this area. So there you go. So that way the score is already there, and I just go ahead and lift the paper, and there you go. And just put it together like that. Sorry you guys, I do apologize if I am not in frame. I will try to go ahead and put this in frame. Sorry you guys, when you're crafting, you're crafting. And there you go. You just put them all together. Now I am done with my ruler. And all I need to do is put these down. And of course, crease it there on the right perfect spot. Okay, so now all you have to do is put your box together. And it's really easy and simple, and oh my goodness, you can make so many boxes if you're on a roll like I was. Yeah, I couldn't stop making these boxes. As you guys could tell, I went a little overboard on making boxes, but they're so much fun. Honestly, they are. And just making them into shakers, layering the other pieces together, it's so fun. And all you have to do is make sure that the line ends up matching with the edge right there. Let me do this right here. You don't have to put a lot of glue there. And again, just see how the lines, make sure they are matching. Trying not to make them too inward or outward, because if you do them too inward, the box is going to be a little loose. If you make them too outward, it's your lid is not going to fit. So this is again the bottom, and this is the top. And of course you put your score tape, and you put your acetate on the top, and there you go. So this is a little like I said, it's a little thicker because I did layer the cardstock and the paper itself. I could have just probably used both paper, like just plain minimal cardstock, like a 65-pound, and then used a cardstock, your paper cardstock, and then just so it wouldn't be too bulky basically. So there you go. And oh, wrong way. Get nervous when you're doing videos, you guys. It's been a while since I've done a tutorial, and yeah, well, like I said, I had so much fun doing these. And there you go. So I don't know why it's taking a while to stick. Yeah, maybe because I'm on video. You're on camera. Anyway, so yeah. Make sure it's also aligned with the edges. Hopefully it did. Let me put my little thing before it dries out. And you should have a, like, oh great, it's not sticking. Way to go when you're on camera. So there you go, you guys. There is my lid for my box. There you go. And now all you have to do is decorate around it. And well, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, am I even in frame? Oh my goodness, there you go. Again, these are from Globleland. These are Globleland dies. I will link everything down under the description below, everything that I did receive. And again, you guys, don't forget to use that coupon code. And thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. And thank you, Globleland, for allowing me to showcase and play with your amazing dies and products. And I still have another project to share with you. So again, thank you again for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.